Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I feel like I nearly just twitched really hard saying that. It is Saturday, it's day 7, it's the 7th today. I'm really red all of a sudden. My friend Janae from work just moved in for the 2 weeks. Say hi.
Hello.
Because she's just about to go on her OE, so she's moved in for 2 weeks. Whoop, whoop. No, actually whoop whoop, I'm really sad. It's actually not morning at all, it's like 5 PM. I completely forgot to start the vlog today. I've just been playing Pokemon all day. We might be going to the noodle markets tonight, so I will vlog that if we end up going. But right now I'm just watching Stardew Valley videos and like that's it. So I don't really have much to say. I just thought I'd start the vlog because I forgot. And yes, I'm about to have some chocolate as a snack that I found in the cupboard. I just remembered that I haven't shown you guys Helena's chili that's turning red. Very exciting. And then this little one there is turning red as well. All the other ones are currently green, but like that one is like super red, which is cool. But Jerome's not really making much progress. Helena's looking alright though, but yeah, Jerome not so much. I forgot to show you guys my dinner, but I had chicken and buns. Now I'm just having some marshmallows for dessert and watching The Simpsons. Wow, what a riveting vlog we're having today. Alright guys, so I'm actually filming this clip on Sunday, but it's going in Saturday's vlog. I was meaning to film this yesterday, but I have been so go for the last week that yesterday I did absolutely nothing, like truly nothing, which is why the vlog was so skimp. My friend moved in and then we just chilled for the whole afternoon, so I thought I would show you guys what I got from Gymshark for Click Frenzy, which was exactly the same deals as a Gymshark Black Friday sale, but it was like a week earlier and it was only for Australia, so I got everything that I wanted. Although it was one of those situations where after you order, because you feel like you have to be frantic, you find more cool stuff, so that's why I made a little tiny order on the actual Black Friday. But this is Click Frenzy, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. The one thing that I do know is that my order was like 180 Australian, so it was a very good deal. So the first thing I got, this is the only thing that I've really worn. I think they might be inside out, give me a second. But I got these leggings, they're called the Power Down leggings. And I was going to buy these for full price a couple months ago, and I'm so glad I didn't because I would have been really disappointed. Not that like I don't like them, but to have paid like 80 bucks I would have been so sad. So I got these for 70% off, they were 24. Basically they have like a maternity level high waistband, like this comes up to almost my boobs. And then the fabric, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's almost like a waffle like knit like PJs, and they're in the steel blue color. They're really nice. I got these for 24. I think I already told you guys that, but yeah, I really like them. They're just not gym leggings, they're like laser round leggings, go out to dinner at like a not fancy place, stretchy belly kind of legging, you know. I got another pair of leggings. These are the ones that my friend ordered on Black Friday. These are the lightweight seamless. These were $24 and they are so nice. The only other color that they had for 24 was like a fluoro green, and I was going to buy it, but I'm not really going to wear fluoro green. But they're just purple full length leggings, plum colored, I guess more than purple, and they've got these little like complementary dots all down the side. They're very simple, but they're really comfy. They've got like a little separating line so that you don't have a uni butt. The waistband isn't as high or as like wide, like it doesn't cover your whole belly is what I'm trying to say. So I'll go with the one other pair of pants that I have, and these are joggers. I love Gymshark's joggers. These were 70% off as well. I feel like they were like 21 maybe, something like that, but they're from the Legacy collection, which means they have like the old school Gymshark logo. And they're in the brick color, so they just are really plain joggers. They fit quite oversized. I should have probably got an extra small, but they go up so high. They're really high-waisted as well, and they have like a little bum line so that they're like kind of flattering. I really like these. These are way too thick to wear at the moment, but like for $21 I wasn't not gonna get them because I freaking love joggers. I'm gonna show you guys this bra next. I have tried this on. It's like a zip up bra, but this is called, I can't remember what it's called. I've already taken the tag off because I've tried it on, but maybe like the Form bra or something. But it's like really nice high support, or medium to high support. It's not super high, but the back is really pretty. But the reason why I got it is because I hate putting on full support or high support sports bras because it's really hard to get them on, but then if it does it up at the front it's a lot easier. This is slightly too tight for me at the moment. Like I could definitely wear it if I was wearing an oversized top, but if I was wearing anything like this I get some real like squeeze on the sides. This one was half price, I believe. I got it for like, I think it was 30 bucks. This was like the most expensive thing I got in this order, but I did really need it, and the fabric is beautifully soft. Like it feels like Lululemon Align. It's like brushed. I got this tank. I love this style that Gymshark does. This one's like half embroidered, half print, but it's just a mint green tank, nice and flowy, and it's got like a tie at the back. I think this costs like $12 or something insane. So yeah, picked that one up. I also got this t-shirt dress, which I thought would be really nice to just like lounge around the house in, or like wear if I'm going to the beach, which probably will never happen, but it's just like a peach color and it says Gymshark on it. This was like, again, like $19 or something. It's just nice and flowy. It's like that really soft stretchy t-shirt material. I'll get a lot of wear out of this throughout the summer. Whether I wear it out or not, I don't know, but it's very thin and flowy. This next item is like the only thing that I'm like not crazy about, and it's because it's like that weird like terry cloth fabric, if you can see that. I don't like this fabric, but this is the Move cropped hoodie in peach. This was 70% off, so I'm not that mad about it, but it's just like a cropped peach colored hoodie. I got it because peach is like my favorite color, and it's just got like a line of mesh there. It is nice, but it's just not as nice as I was hoping. But I think I got it for like, I don't actually know, maybe like $24 or something. It looks really cropped, but it is pretty cropped. It's just not crazy cropped like it looks. But I do prefer this next jumper way more. This is another thing from the Legacy line. I have been eyeing this color up for ages from Gymshark. I actually wanted it in a different hoodie, but that one wasn't as discounted. This one was 70% off. And the color's called Pastel Grape, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Pastel Grape, and it's just the most gorgeous little sweater. They do have the joggers in this color. Well, they did have the joggers in this color, but it wasn't at 70% off, so I didn't get it. But yeah, it's just got like the white piping down the sides. Well, it's like actually almost grey, but anyway, with the big Gymshark logo on the front. But yeah, that's everything that I got from Gymshark in my Click Frenzy haul. I feel like that was like the most crazy sporadic, like manic haul I've ever done. I don't know why. I feel like I was like and this and this and that, but I was gonna do a try on for you guys, but that probably would have taken way too long because I got so much stuff. But when I get my next Gymshark haul, I will do a try on, so I only got 3 things, I think. I just got a couple of the things that I was really wanting the first time, but I couldn't fit in my cart, so I'll show you guys those when they arrive. Unfortunately, I didn't get those power down leggings in black. I really wish I did. I went to go get them like after I tried those on, but they were like long sold out. So yeah, I think the sale's over now, which might be annoying for you guys, but I suppose that's kind of the same for like all of my Gymshark, like all of my Black Friday hauls, I mean, because like obviously everything's already sold out, or like the deals are over. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. I love you all so much, and I will see you tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Bye.